You see any eggs? Hey! There's one! You found one! Let's see. Here, stand right there and show it to Grammy. Show me the egg.
What's in there?
Whoa!
Look! Look, a Cheerio!
A Cheerio! Wow!
Oh, another one!
Get out of the ace. It's dirty.
Hey, what's that? You found another egg.
I found an egg.
Put it in your basket.
Put it in your basket. Put them in the basket. Okay, let's see if you can find some more. There's a bunch of them out here. Maybe the night can help you find them.
Let's walk around and look.
That's what it is. Look. I found one. I found one. It's a Cheerio.
You already found
Cheerio
that
egg.
one. You're finding it two times?
A Cheerio egg.
Owen, I spy an egg by the big rock over there. It's a green egg. I spy it. It's by the rock.
Where's the
over
big
there.
rock?
Where's the big rock?
You see it?
Put it in your basket.
Put it in your basket.